Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. So as you know, the first step is always to subscribe to the channel. So here we are on the crypto.com home screen. So all you need to do is go to accounts, and then you want to click on crypto and then transfer, and then we want to go to withdraw. And now you'll see add wallet address. So we want to click on that. And now it's going to ask us to select a cryptocurrency. So pick the correct one for yourself. I'll just choose any one. Let's just go with Ethereum for now. So in this screen, all we're going to do is paste our Ethereum wallet address, which is what we're going to get from Coinbase, and a wallet name. So let's jump over to Coinbase. Okay, so from the Coinbase home screen, all you need to do is go to the top left-hand corner, those little blocks, and then you're going to go to receive. And then we're going to pick the correct coin. So you pick the correct coin that you're trying to transfer. So Ethereum for me. And then we're going to pick the Ethereum network. And then we're going to copy our wallet address. And then that is what we're going to go into crypto.com. We're going back there and pasting that wallet address and creating a wallet name. Okay, so I've done that, and so now you'll have this Ethereum wallet when you are done there, and you just want to click on the right of that address and say withdraw. From here, it's going to give you a warning and you just need to confirm. And then from there, you're going to put in the amount of crypto you want to transfer and then just hit withdraw. And I don't have enough funds, but for you, it's going to give you a review of the order, and then you are just going to accept, and that'll complete your order. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.